590.
Okay, I got the front set on 30, so that's what we read them on.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, I found out what our reaction time was. So I found out what front tire was like 20 on him.
I've always had 25. Everywhere.
Yes. And I told him to do that a long time ago.
And then he hit me up on the radio and said, hey, man, can you make sure they're on 30? I said,
Like when
what the fuck they get there?
He'd be able to, he would red light on a Pro Tree tested.
Yeah. You would.
And I drove shotgun.
Cars all white. Just good driver too. He's got a nitrous car.
Pro nitrous or?
Yeah. Or he races with Pro Model or Pro Nitrous. Just depends on where he goes. The Willys.
Oh yeah.
Blue car, real pretty. Doing today. Just making sure everything don't fall off.
Yeah.
But nothing will fall off today. It'll
No,
only
it's gonna
happen
wait till
Friday.
you get stage fright. Like,
Yeah.
Belt's got 6 passes.
Okay.
good.
Doing good so far.
Yeah.
I vote we just leave it on until it breaks. Don't touch it.
I
Don't
feel
look
like
at it.
if you own up having a screw car, you also own the fact that you're going to be repairing your front clip a lot, which is good for composite guys.
Yeah, especially,
But
especially
But
if you hit
in the
cone.
beginning of the Pro Charger days, there was a lot of that too.
You're right. There
So-
was. You're right.
Hey,
That's not really a
yeah,
dig,
especially if he hits cone.
Especially if you hit cones.
Oh yeah, for sure. If you hit cones, don't hit cones. Those thing turns into little lumps of brick. It like
I heard you hit a couple this
I
week.
hit. I took out 2 in the finals.
Yeah, he pretty much hit all of them.
Yeah. Jeff hit all of them. I only hit the 2, the big one.
That's a great day today.
Yeah. It seems like it's about the same to me, right?
Hey, Ryan, you got your phone on you?
I did not. It's in my cup holder of the mini. 106.1 about 30 minutes ago. Right.
Motherfucker put my head back in the seat when I took off. I was like, whoa. Yeah, it shook hard for a second, then it quit.
You never like sideways enough.
Well, I was the first one to go all the way down that racetrack too. I was nervous about that. Fucking Ryan, it was 3:30 pass waiting on somebody else to do it.
Man, I was fucking late. I just got done telling the guy he's supposed to test me.
They said that?
Fine.
Oh, did it?
This might be a dumb question, or since we got so much time, are we gonna rush?
Yeah.
We are.
I mean, we don't need to slow down. We need to get the car ready and then let him decide when we're gonna make it fast. You know what I mean?
Yeah, that's what I mean. Are we gonna hot lap or kind of entire time.
We're not gonna hot lap it, but we're gonna try to make it pass every hour until we're done. Okay. Not even 35 minutes, like no grip.
Thank God. We just have to hot lap ourselves in testing. Now we gotta hot lap ourselves for a real race, and we should get to cool down a little bit for testing.
I forgot all about that pro tree. That bitch going on. I said, oh. I know I was like, fuck.
I thought he did too, but the yellow's never do, but I didn't realize it. Other than maybe because it was a single.
Yeah. Now, I seen yellow, but they were on as I was going to the floor. Like they went on quick.
Oh, I didn't even
As soon
see
as
it.
I staged, it flashed.
Yeah, it was
Crazy that that damn blower don't care about that.
got a lot of power, man.
Oh shit.
Always beautiful. You don't break this bit. Now I got 5 runs on the bit.
Yep.
Keep going. We'll probably have 10 runs on it. We'll put new one on in the break first.
We gotta play over under.
What?
Passes on that belt.
No. We're gonna change it for the next race. I don't have no more. I had to order some.
Yeah, you ain't got no shorts. We got longs.
So we'll have to put on if shit hits the fan. But I think we got that problem fixed.
Knock on wood.
What was that? He goes, you did a wheelie? I said, no shit.
Yeah, it does that out there about 400 feet. I like it though. It's like a pro action truck. So
It's
weird.
not as fast.
So weird.
Faster. Ah, that's what you get for making funny jokes, Daryl.
Can't even laugh.
I'm reduced.
Man, you see, he wasn't up there. I guess they put too much water in the burn-out box. I come through there, fill the burn-out, my car's
Really? They looked at me and said, hey, is this enough water? I said, yeah, that's plenty. I turned back, looked down the track, turned back in. He was sitting there spraying it some more.
That's how much was just idling and just started smoking tires. Because the idles in 2000.
Wasn't as bad when we was at, what was it? Armageddon, remember that? So Jared rolled in the glue and the car just started sliding over by itself.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
You had to run and hold it.
Yeah. That's exactly how it was.
I went to the hole. I said, this don't look too good. Hang on.
That bomber already made a mess. Y'all see it?
Wait, 335 at like
I didn't even see it. I didn't even hear it. No, I don't think you're the fastest nice car here no more.
Blake's going to.
What I call it.
Oh, yeah?
Who's fast nice car here?
You didn't want to embarrass him,
Who he showed up. It took me a minute. I know he did it to me already, but when he sent it to me, it took me a minute.
inside the car like I wasn't gonna wreck. Pretty low, probably looked bad.
He's wrapping something up, big top.
What? What is it?
I had to get it again.
Why don't you just set them in there? You just watched. What else got them? carry there.
Believe it or not, this is one of the best test sessions we've had. It just looks bad, but some good shit happened.
That thing is, he ain't wrong.
I'm not wrong at all. Looks good.
Good black tape to fix it. Hey, but your belt stayed on.
Yeah, man, we passed that, man. We got another problem.
Oh, well.
Spent all that money to get a lighter front cap. We probably done put the same amount of weight and way more money into it to keep it fixed.
We got 20 pounds hanging on the nose. That's what we took off the front end.
Yeah. Could have left open on there.